Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have x plus 2xy plus y is equals to 8, and we solve this problem for the values of x plus y. So here the very first step we are going to do is here first we multiply both of the sides by 2 and we write it as multiplying both sides by 2. So this is our given equation. We multiply our given equation by 2. It will be written as 2 times of x plus 2xy plus y is equals to 2 multiplied by 8. And here we need some simplification. We multiply this 2 on each of these terms and it will be written as 2x plus 4 times of xy plus 2y is equals to 2 times of 8 becomes 16. And here you focus on first two terms and you see here we have 2x be the common term. So here we get plus 1 and plus here we take common 2 and we get 2y. Plus here you have 2y and this is equals to 16. So in order to more simplification here we need to add plus 1 on both of the sides. So here we just write adding 1 on both of the sides. So when we add 1 on both of the sides, so it will be written as in this form 2x into 1 plus 2y and plus 2y and plus 1 is equals to 16 plus 1. Here we just add plus 1 on both of the sides of this equation. And now in the next step you again focus on these terms and you see here if you take common plus 1 on this factor, then we write it as 2x into 1 plus 2y, and here we take common plus 1 and we write it as 1 plus 2y is equal to 16 plus 1 becomes 17. And here we take common 1 plus 2y factor and we get here 1 plus 2y into, when we take common this you get here 2x plus here we get 1 equals to 17. And now in the next step you focus in the left hand side and we have two factors. These are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one factor. So now here first we find the possibilities in which we get the product of two numbers is equals to 17. So we have the possibilities is 17 times of 1 is equals to 17 and minus 17 times of minus 1 is also equals to 17. So here we have these two possibilities in which we get the product of two numbers is plus 17. So here we make the two cases of this question. So here our case number 1 is we take 1 plus 2y is equals to plus 17, and the second case is we take 2x plus 1 is equals to 1. So this is our case number 1, and in case number 2 we have we compare these two factors on these two, and here we get the value of 1 plus 2y equals to minus 17 and 2x plus 1 equals to minus 1. So we have these two cases and now we need to solve these two cases and we get the values of x and y, and after that we add these two values. So now here first we focus on case number 1. So in case 1 we have 1 plus 2y equals to 17 and 2x plus 1 equals to 1. So this is our case number 1, and now we need to simplify these two equations and we get the value of x and y. So here first we move this plus 1 to the right hand side and it will be written as 2y equals to 17 minus 1, and here we have 2y equals to 17 minus 1 is 16, and now we divide both of the sides by 2 and it will be written as 2y y equals to 16 over 2. So here you cancel these terms and we get 2 8 is 16 and we get the value of y is equals to 8. And now in similar pattern we solve this equation and we get the value of x. So here we move this plus 1 to the right hand side and we get 2x equals to 1 minus 1, and 2 because here this is plus 1, when we move this to the right hand side it will becomes minus 1, and 1 minus 1 becomes 0. And now we divide both of the sides by 2 in this form. So here this 2 is 2 cancelled by each other and we get here x equals to, here we know that 0 over something is equals to 0. So in case number 1 we have two values, we have the value of x and y is, x is 0 and y is 8, so that the value of x plus y is equals to 0 plus 8, and 0 plus 8 is finally equals to 8. So this is the our final answer which we get from case number 1. And now we move towards our second case, so that here first we copy down our case number 2. So our second case is, we write it here, this is our second case, 1 plus 2y equals to minus 17 and 2x plus 1 equals to minus 1. So we write it as 1 plus 2y equals to minus 17 and 2x plus 1 equals to minus 1. So this is our second case, and now we solve this second case and we get the second solution of the given question. So here we again move this plus 1 to the right hand side and it will be written as 2y equals to minus 17 minus 1, and we have 2y equals to minus 17 minus 1 is equals to minus 18. And here we again divide both of the sides by 2 and it will be written as 2 over 2 equals to minus 18 over 2, and this is 2 is cancelled out by this 2 and we get here y equals to, here you have 2 9s are 18 and we have the value of y equals to minus 9. So this is the value of y, and similarly we can solve the second equation of second case and we get the value of x. So here we move this plus 1 to the right hand side and it will be written as 2x equals to minus 1 minus 1. This is plus 1 and in the right hand side it will becomes minus 1. So we have 2x equals to minus 2, and now we divide both of the sides by 2 and this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, this is cancelled out by this 2, and we get the value of x is equals to minus 1. So these are the two values of x and y from case number 2, and now we add these two values and we get here x plus y equals to minus 1 minus 9, and minus 1 minus 9 is equals to minus 10. So this is the second solution of the given question, and its first solution is x plus y is equals to 8. So this is the our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.